Hello, my name is Jayshree. My metric number is F1192. I'll be presenting create-database.php and also db.php. As you see the first slide, my_SQLi_connect_error, which will be checking the connection of the database. If it doesn't connect, it will show as an error message, which is connection failed. If it does connect, it will create a database named as wellnessdb. And if the wellnessdb has been created successfully, there will be a message. If not, it will be a error creating database message. Slide, as you see, we have three tables that has been created: user, children, and also appointments. So the users, which is to insert the details, children's using foreign key, and also appointments to manage the appointments within the users and also the children's. .php. Once the database exists, this file connects specifically to wellness._db. It also uses the same connection process but includes the database name. This file will be reused by another PHP file to access the database easily.
Hi everyone, I'm Tulsi Rakubadi, metric number 01DDT23F1010. So as a web developer, this login page script handles user authentication. It starts a session and connects to the database and check if the login form is submitted. The user's email and password are captured. The password is encrypted with MD5 and SQL query verifies the credential. The HTML and the CSS section design the login form for a clean user interface. Now this part of the login page handles the front-end display and the user feedback for the login process. It includes a page title, logo and style login form using HTML and Bootstrap. The script displays a successful message when a user redirected after successful registration and error message if the login attempt failed. The form collects the user email and password and submit them via post for verification. At the bottom, there is also a register link that redirected for the new user to registration page. So here we can see the user login form with email and password and also the register link.
Hello, my name is Kamlesh Kumarisan. My metric ID is 01DDT23F1169. So now I'm going to present about the logout.php. So first of all, the logout.php code, we use the session which is start, unset and destroy. So when we destroy the page, it will back to the login PHP in the location of that. Okay, for the second one, we use the register PHP code. Okay, first of all, we use the user registration and wellness first logo at the center. And for the name, phone, email, we use the input type of the text. And for the password, we put the input type for the password. And for the register button, we use the submit of the input type. And below, they show the text which is already have an account. And the login is, we hide it as a blue color, which is when you click the login page, it will redirect to the login page as usual. Okay, so for the register page, once you register as a user, it will it will store in the database and it will direct to the login page as a user login. So the user, as usual, they log in as their own comfort page. So that's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Pashidanya. My metric number is F1021. So on the add child and parent detail page, we use HTML input field and PHP validation to collect parent and child information. The code uses $post to capture from data and insert SQL queries to store it into the database. Bootstrap classes like form control and MD2 are used for layout, and PHP conditional statement show alert, for example, $success for a green success message and $error for a red warning. Next, in appointment PHP, we use a select element with dynamic option popular from the database using PHP and MySQL queries. When a child is selected, the parent's information such as name, phone number, and address is automatically displayed. Users then choose the service type, appointment date, and time. The form data is submitted using the post method and saved in the appointment table through an SQL insert statement. In the confirmation page, the PHP code retrieves all the appointment details using the equal function and display them dynamically. It uses functions like HTML special char for security and date and str2 time to format the date. At the bottom, a confirmation message is shown to the user indicating the appointment has been submitted successfully and will be confirmed within 24 hours.